Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Moto G84. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Moto G84 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G84 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say system. So simply click over system and then you will find there's something say language and import. After click over language import and you will find there's something say language. Now right now my phone language is English. If you decide to add new language, you can click here add language and then you will see there's a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this Hispanolo and then this is the Hispano suggestion. I'm going to choose a Hispano. Anyway, now you can see I have successfully added. Now if I want to set this language in my phone default language, you can either choose, hold it and bring over there, and that's going to be your phone default language. Now if I go back, we'll see now my phone has successfully changed English to Spanish. Actually, I want to share with you, if your phone by mistakenly change or appear different language and you want to change it to English, how you can do that. So in this video I will share you a simple trick how you can easily change your phone language to English. Anyway, so for that you need to find out the gear icon. Obviously in this time we will use some icon trick, some trick to change our phone language to English. So first of all, you need to find out this gear icon. If your phone gear icon in home screen, that's great. If it is not, you need to go jump over all of section and you need to find out here this gear icon. So this is a gear icon, so I'm going to click over on it. After click over on it, you just scroll all the way down and then you will find there's something say this is the some round, this is the system. So we're going to click over on it and after that we will see another skin appear. Here we will see something say this is like a language or global icon something. So we're going to click over on it and after that we need to click the first one and then if English is here it's great. If it is not, you can click this plus icon and find out the English language you want. For example, English, and I would like to English Australia, and now we will see in my phone here I did English Australia. Now if you decide to add your phone language and default the English Australia, you can easily hold it and bring over the first one. Now you can see I have successfully changed my phone language Hispano to English, even I don't know the Hispano. This is how you can easily change your phone language in Moto G84. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.